Imagine waking up to the soft sound of birds outside your window. You slowly open your eyes, and warm sunlight fills the space around you. You're not in a hotel room, and you're not at home either. You're parked beside a quiet lake, mountains stretching across the horizon, coffee already warm in your hand. Your bed feels comfortable, the space around you feels premium, and everything you need is right there with you. This isn't just travel anymore. This is freedom on wheels. Today, we're stepping inside one of the most refined and capable motorhome platforms ever made, the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 2020. If you've ever dreamed of upgrading your RV lifestyle with more comfort, more power, and more luxury, this might just be the ultimate upgrade. So sit back, imagine yourself on the open road, and let's explore what makes this motorhome so special. The IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 2020 is not built like a typical van. Underneath, it has the strength of a truck, but once you're inside, it feels more like a luxury apartment on wheels. This platform is trusted by premium RV builders across Europe, and there's a very good reason for that. It blends strength, smooth driving, modern technology, and long-distance comfort in a way very few motorhomes can. Whether you're cruising through busy cities, climbing mountain roads, or parking beside the ocean, this motorhome is designed to make every journey feel easy and stress-free. From the outside, the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic has a bold and confident presence. It doesn't try too hard to impress, instead, it looks strong, clean, and purpose-built. The front grille is wide and solid, the headlights are modern and sharp, and the tall body instantly tells you this vehicle is made for serious travel. One of the biggest advantages here is the chassis. Unlike many vans, the IVECO Daily uses a ladder frame chassis, similar to what you'd find in a truck. That means better stability, higher weight capacity, and a much stronger foundation for luxury RV conversions. On the highway, it feels planted and stable. On uneven roads, it feels confident. And when you finally park, it looks like a premium motorhome that belongs anywhere. Driving the Hi-Matic 2020 is where this motorhome really surprises people. Under the hood, you get a powerful diesel engine that delivers smooth and reliable performance. But the real highlight is the Hi-Matic 8-speed automatic transmission. Gear changes are incredibly smooth, almost unnoticeable, and the system seems to adapt to the way you drive. In traffic, it feels calm and relaxed. On long highways, it cruises effortlessly. And on steep roads, it delivers strong pulling power without feeling strained. This is one of those motorhomes where you actually enjoy the drive, not just the destination. Add an excellent torque, stable handling even when fully loaded, and surprisingly good fuel efficiency for its size, and you get a motorhome that's built for serious journeys. Step into the driver's cabin, and the experience changes immediately. The seating position is high and comfortable, giving you excellent visibility all around. The dashboard layout is clean, practical, and easy to understand. Everything feels solid and well put together, designed for long hours behind the wheel. You get modern features like a touchscreen display, navigation support, Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, and climate control. It no longer feels like you're driving a commercial vehicle. It feels like a proper touring machine, designed for people who truly love the road. Now, move into the living space, and this is where the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic really shines. The interior feels open, bright, and welcoming. Large windows let natural light pour in, making the space feel bigger and more relaxing. Depending on the conversion, you'll often find a spacious lounge area with comfortable seating, premium materials, and a smart layout that makes great use of every inch. There's plenty of storage hidden throughout the interior, so everything has its place. This is a space where you can relax after a long drive, share a meal with friends, or simply enjoy a quiet evening while watching the scenery outside. The kitchen is another highlight. It's thoughtfully designed and surprisingly practical. You usually get a proper stove, a sink with clean water, a fridge and freezer, and cabinets that close softly and securely. There's enough counter space to cook real meals, not just quick snacks. Imagine preparing dinner while parked near a forest, or making breakfast with ocean views right outside your window. This kitchen turns travel into a comfortable, everyday lifestyle. When it's time to sleep, the bedroom delivers exactly what you want after a long day. The bed is wide, supportive, and made for real rest. High-quality mattresses, good ventilation, and quiet insulation help create a peaceful sleeping environment. Many layouts include reading lights, USB charging ports, and overhead storage, making the space feel both cozy and practical. It honestly feels like checking into a private hotel room wherever you decide to park for the night. And yes, there's a proper bathroom as well. Clean, compact, and well-designed, it usually includes a toilet, a shower, and a sink with mirror. Water storage is smartly planned, and nothing feels wasted or cramped. It's another reminder that this motorhome is built for long-term comfort, not just short trips. So what truly sets the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 2020 apart from the rest? It offers truck-level strength with car-like comfort. It features one of the smoothest automatic transmissions available in the RV world. It's reliable, durable, and perfectly suited for high-end motorhome conversions. Compared to lighter vans, it feels stronger and more stable. Compared to larger motorhomes, it feels more agile and easier to live with. It finds that perfect balance between power, luxury, and practicality. Now I want to hear from you. Would you choose the IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 2020 for your dream RV build? And where would you take it first, the mountains, the beach, or endless open highways? Let me know in the comments below. The IVECO Daily Hi-Matic 2020 is more than just a motorhome platform. It's a true lifestyle upgrade. It's built for people who want to travel without limits, sleep in comfort, drive with confidence, and turn every journey into a lasting memory. Whether you're chasing sunsets, exploring new places, or escaping everyday routine, this motorhome makes the road feel like home. If you enjoyed this look into luxury RV living, make sure to like this video, it really helps the channel. Subscribe.